Yes, Jake. Good morning. Good morning. No need to. Okay, bye. Now we'll start now. Today, don't write anything now. Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Okay, now that means you're not supposed to disturb anybody, and even I'm not going to disturb you. Now, we are going to start with something very, very important. You have to be very, very careful. Okay, now we are going to add not to these words. Already clear, now ma'am taught you before, but you were making mistakes. Okay, now today's date is 2nd 9. In between any other date comes, don't worry about it. No need to write. Now fold your hands and sit. Look at the screen. Or you can keep the hands on the table, but no written work. Now, is plus not. He is not. Is not. First, I am adding not to the following. Does plus not. Does not. We are adding not. Okay. Will plus not. Will not. Just look at all these words. Do plus not. Do not. Yes?
I can see only good morning presentation, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Hands.
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 minute.
No,
Hands,
no.
presentation. No, it's there. What about others?
Ma'am, we can see only good morning.
1 minute.
Have a
1 minute.
nice day. See the presentation, ma'am.
What, Cyrus? Only Cyrus speak. What happened, Cyrus?
Ma'am, I can see only good morning. Have a nice day.
After that, no, I'm 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll just see.
Yes,
Now, what about now?
No, ma'am.
No presentation.
Good morning.
I am only one child. Speak.
Ma'am, I can see
I am only
good morning. I cannot see, ma'am.
Please keep quiet, children. I'm asking Cyrus to tell now. Wait. Here we can see in the other system. That's what. Wait. Cyrus, can you see now? No.
No, ma'am.
What can you see? Who is that talking in Kannada over there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Parents, please be patient, parents.
No, ma'am.
Nobody is getting there. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, because we can see here. 1 minute. Please wait, children. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see, children? Some problem. Okay. Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
See now, I'm telling only one person
Yes,
to
ma'am.
talk. Yes, you all talk, then I wait. Only when one person talks, I will know whether all are seeing. Okay, thank you now. Now just look, okay. We are going to add not to the given words. Now parents, please don't talk in between, parents. Is plus not, you're getting is not. Only we are adding the same not to the given words. Just plus not, does not. We are not going to ask you to write this. Don't write, please. Will plus not equals will not. Do plus not equals do not. Has plus not has not. The same thing you're writing. You're not going to cut anything here. So first one, now Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Adonia? See, when I'm calling some children, they are not responding. Akshara, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Akshara? I told you
Yes.
when you come, you must tell, I am Akshara, ma'am, because I cannot go back to the. Yeah. Now, see,
Ma'am.
somebody telling Solu. Wait, ma, wait. Who's that? Akshara, I will ask you, wait. You say, I am Akshara, ma'am. Say,
Ma'am, I'm Akshara, ma'am.
that's all. That's all. Then I will know because I called Adonia first. Now, can you read the answers from the screen now? Only the answers. Is not. Please read. Is not.
Is That's not, ma'am.
Very good. Don't say ma'am. Only say next one. Will not. Say. Will.
not.
Then.
Will not. Not.
Akshara, I am teaching you Akshara. Will not. Say.
Will not.
Do not.
Do not.
Has not.
Has not.
Okay, now we'll go to the next. Thank you. Now turn off your mic. Turn. Now, see the next one. Would. She would. He would. Plus not. There's nothing to learn by heart. Would not. Had plus not. You just write separately. Had not. I'm not asking you to write now. When you write, not now. Did plus. Please turn off your mic. Thank you. Did plus not, did not. Have plus not, have not. Can plus not, that you have to write together, cannot. You cannot say cannot, cannot it is. Should plus not, should not. Could plus not, could not. Now I want Effie to read the first three, 6, 7, 8. Effie, please together.
Ma'am, I'm Effie.
Effie, good, Effie. See, you all must learn from others how to introduce. See, I am Effie, she said. Like that you must tell me. Now, read 6, 7, 8, even the question and the answer. 6, 7, 8, please. Come on.
Plus not. Would not. Had plus not. Had not. Did plus not. Did not.
Good,
Have
good.
plus
Enough.
not.
Effie, enough. Effie, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, Effie. Next one is, next child is Rida. Rida. I got only 20 children's name. I will get the other 20. Okay. Rida,
Yes,
can you read 9, 10, 11, 12 for me? Rida. Have.
Had not.
No.
Had
No,
not.
1 minute, 1 minute. No. See, listen. Question and the answer I said. Have plus not. Say.
Have not.
Rida, you read have plus not. See, somebody is talking to her. Please don't disturb. I am teaching. Somebody is going on. Tell me. Rida.
Have plus
Very good.
not is equals to.
No, don't want is equal to. Have plus not. Have not. Say.
Have plus not. Have not.
Good. Can.
Can not.
No. C-A-N. Can. Can plus not.
Can.
Plus not.
Cannot.
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 Should plus not.
Should not.
The person is not helping her to say, please. The whole class is hearing, ma'am, whoever it is. Could plus not. Say.
Could not.
Again, the answering could not. Hereafter, I won't call Rida, okay? Rida will have to sit quietly because somebody else is disturbing her. Okay, could not. Thank you, Rida. Now, next one
Thank
is.
you, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Sanvi, can you read only the answer, Sanvi? Sanvi from 2B. Would not, had not, did not, like that. Look at the screen. I want to know whether you all are attentive. Sanvi, no. So, when I'm calling, they are not there. Sona, Sona, Tangaratnam. What happened to these children? Who's this? Tangaratnam. Yes, this is like Kailina. Don't scream. Read all the answers. Would not, had not, did not, have not, cannot, cannot, read, should not, not should not, should not. Okay, correct yourself. Could not, say. Very good. Now we'll go to the next. Turn off your mic. Children, when one person talks, others must not disturb. Yes. Now see this. You have two forms, long form, short form. You won't be able to, some places you won't be able to write I am not. You can write am not. I am not. It can be am not. You are not. Look and listen. You aren't. He is not. He is in. I'm coming back to the children now. Wait. I will see how you all are behaving. She is not. She isn't.
Ma'am, we cannot hear anything.
How you can? Who's this now? Sona, it's not Sona. Others can hear Sona. Just see your sister. She is not. Now Tridip. Can you hear me, Tridip? Then Sona, please check your system. Okay. Now, listen. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. It isn't. Don't write anything. Just look at the screen. We are not. We aren't. We aren't. We are not coming. We aren't. Aren't. You are not. You aren't. No, when you go to higher classes, you'll know, but sir. Yes. Who's that? Let me come back. They are not. They aren't. Who called me just now? Tell me what's your problem. They aren't. Now 1 minute, I will come back to you. Now, Shaina, can you read only the answers from the screen? Kailina, keep your hands down, please. Yeah.
I'm not.
No. I am meant.
I'm
Next one. Answer. What is the second one? Effie, please read all the answers, Effie. China, wait. The first day, no problem. Yes, Effie.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm not. You
aren't.
aren't. He
Isn't.
isn't.
Then
You aren't.
it's breaking some problem.
He
Yeah, she
isn't.
Then
It isn't. We aren't.
very good.
You
You
aren't.
They are. Okay. It's just to tell you, it's nothing to learn by heart. Okay, children? Okay. Nothing. You must know when some textbooks, it will be written like you aren't. So you must know what is the full form of it. You are not. 3 different words. When you write only two words, you are and. Now we'll go to the next. Do not. That you know because you always use this. Do not. Yes?
Sanvi, ma'am,
It's okay. Never. Okay, okay,
ma'am.
Sanvi, I know that's a problem for everybody. No problem. Okay, you can go back to the recording. Now let me take this. Okay, I'll make you all read again later, not now. Because some problem is there because it's breaking up. Do not. Thank you, Sanvi. Do not. Don't. I don't. I do not want this. I don't want this. Has not. Hasn't. Have not. Haven't. I will explain to you later and I'll give you the sentence with all this. Had not. Hadn't. Is not. Isn't. I see this one you used to use always. I don't want this, ma. I don't want this, mummy, you'll say. I do not want. Instead of telling I do not want, you are using don't. He hasn't got his pencil today. He hasn't. He has not got. Children, nothing to learn by heart. Don't tell that you didn't understand, just only the short form. Have not. Haven't. They haven't come. Had not. Hadn't. Is not. Isn't. Okay, children. Now all this, you just go back to the recording and try to learn only the short forms. Now don't worry about that date, children. I forgot to change it because Monday was holiday. Now, I want everybody to take your classwork note, new page. I will tell you what you have to do. Classwork note, new page. Don't write anything. A new page. On the first line in the margin, don't write 31A, children. Please write 29. That's all. When we started our class, we wrote 2.
Ma'am, English book.
English classwork note, please. English classwork. Everybody, 2A and B, children. New page. Just take and write 29 in the margin. And 29 in the margin. Now, on the first line, slowly and neatly write the short forms W. From the margin you start, children. It may take 2 lines. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E, write the short forms. S-H-O-R-T, short. Forms, F-O-R-M-S, forms of these words. You may not finish now, only what you can do. I will just tell you what you have to write. There's no homework and all for this because you'll make mistake. Write the short forms of these words. Now, Virti, did you write the heading? Virti?
No, ma'am.
See, I want one answer. Please write now. Don't write anything else, only the heading. Write the short forms of these words. Go slowly, don't be in a hurry. But you must not play around. Yes? I'm not. Sanjaratnam, did you write the heading? Kanira? Yes?
Ma'am?
Did you write the heading, Kanira?
Yes,
Good, Mitra. Juansri, did you write the heading? I will wait. Write the heading.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
write slowly. Only the heading. Write the short forms. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Good. Mitra, did you write Mitra? Akshara, what happened? Akshara, did you write?
Ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. I'm waiting for you. You have to write slowly.
Ma'am, I didn't write.
Who did not write?
Ansh, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, Ansh. Okay, now write. Many children are coming and joining very, very late. Judah, did you write Judah? Only the heading.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah. Now 1
No,
minute.
ma'am.
Write Judah heading. Look at the, wait, I'll tell you once again. Now only the heading. Write the short forms of these words. Don't write only the heading. Next line, how it's written in the middle. Not, not. Somebody's mic is on. N-O-T, not. That's the main thing you have to learn. N-O-T, not. How to write that in short form? N apostrophe T. Don't write O. N apostrophe T. All this.
Wine and rice, ma'am.
No, no, just write how it's shown there. Only write not equals N apostrophe T. That line, no line and all. Now wait, wait. I don't want you to do any extra thing. After writing N-O-T, not equals N apostrophe T, you just divide the page into two. Middle of your page, draw a line. This is drawn by the side. You draw the line in the middle. Middle of your page, draw a line till the end of the page. Middle of the page. Draw a line till the end of the page. Effie, did you do it, Effie?
No,
Show me,
ma'am.
show me, Effie. Just draw a line in the middle. Show me a notebook. Draw a line and show. Use your scale. Show closer. Show closer. Where did you write not? Yes. Draw a line in the middle, down, down. Middle. I cannot see. You didn't draw, Effie? Cyrus, show me your notebook. Somebody with, who's this girl? Let me see. Kylina, where is the heading? Yeah, please erase that line and use your scale. Yes, who's this girl? Sanvi, show me. Yes, in the middle. Show me in the middle. Yeah. Kylina, erase, please. Yeah. Now we'll go back to the screen. Sandiratnam, did you draw? Rida, Niral?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Akshara, did you draw the line? Yeah. Now listen to me, listen to me. Now listen. Write first column full form, second column short form. See how it's written. Full form, the next line, and short form, and draw a line below. Full form. Fullform. Full form. Now, second column heading, short form. SHORT F-O-R-M. We are just going to do only these 4 words today. Now, after writing full form and short form, draw a line and wait. Next line, you draw a line, not closer to full form and short form. Next line, draw one line. Next line, draw one line. Yes. And why didn't you come for special class yesterday? Yes. And why didn't you join the special class yesterday? No answer. Okay, leave it like that itself. I'll have to inform in the office. Okay, now that's up to you. No problem. What happened? Okay, now listen. Niral, finish writing everything. Very good. Only 1 to 4 numbers you put in the margin. Copy the words in the first column.
The picture.
Yes. What happened, Manu?
Ma'am,
Yes, Manu.
I did it slow. That's why.
Never mind. I'll go back to the screen now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Just now listen. Turn off your mic. And okay, full form, short form. You write 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not.
Ma'am, we should leave a line.
No, after full form and short form, draw one line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, you write continuously. No need to leave a line. Because you are writing in double ruled line. Okay, double ruled. Now, copy 1, 2, 3, 4, only the questions first. How it's written there? You can start with capital. Short form, only small letters. Is not.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Virti, ma'am.
Yes, Virti, what do you want?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Virti.
Tell
I
Virti what.
cannot see the presentation.
What's happening? What
I
about?
cannot see.
1 minute.
can-
1 minute.
cannot-
Wait. Don't talk too much. Wait. Let me find. Effie, can you see the presentation? Effie,
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. See now, children. We are presenting it and you are not able to see. Some children. Must be some problem in your system. Connection. Don't worry about it now. You can go to the recording later.
Ma'am, I can see your screen now.
Yes? One to 4. Only 1 to 4. It's not just Cyrus. When I'm calling children, they are not answering. That's what I'm calling this boy. Cyrus,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am. I can clearly see, ma'am.
Then some problem with other children. So sad. But you can go back to the recording. Virti, don't worry about it. We'll repeat tomorrow also. Don't worry. Okay, next day. Now, is not, does not, will not, do not. Did you write these 4 questions?
One also.
Yes. Now, straight to that, you can write the answers. Isn't, doesn't, won't, don't. Exactly like this. There's nothing to learn by heart. You must know the short form and the full form. Isn't, doesn't, won't, don't. Now, time is up, children. You just write this. Complete that. Very good. Let me see who's this. Cyrus, good. Now, you can close your notebook after writing 4. Okay, very good. Those who have completed, very good. I don't know if Juansri, good. Yes. Tanvi, yeah. Now, we are going to close this class. Where's Prajan? Prajan, good. You must write neatly. Okay, Prajan, good. Now you can, 1 minute. Yeah. Now you can leave the class and get ready for math. Kritika, good, Kritika. Okay. Now see, all. You have to leave the classroom soon to get ready for the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Ma'am, Iris.
Yes, yes.
You, ma'am.
Auntie, go for a break.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
What discuss?